Good bridge starts with some good wood. Welcome back to another fine episode of When Nature Calls. All I see are blue skies. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Green trees. The beautiful green trees. Oh, it's that time of year when we say goodbye to some birdies and say hello to other fine animals. I wish a moose would walk out right now, start singing. But this isn't a Disney video. This is live! So I got a little Tweety bird. What's it doing? Huh? There he is. Can everybody see him? Please leave your comments down at the bottom if you see the bird. We're 2 minutes in this video. Can you see the bird? It's not a trick question. If you're a bird fanatic, you might know the tune it's singing. Leave that in the comments. Any positiveness would be appreciated. Can you see the bird now? Can you see the bird now? Can you hear me now? All right, back to the walk. This is what I call Endor, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I used to call this the Sherwood Forest. This is also where our cross-country teams run through. I watched a fellow subscriber videos, and he had his Star Wars collection out in a nice bushed area. So as I've been redoing some things in the room show, if you've been following my channel for some time now, I'm going to do the same. Oh, the majestic song. I've got the Pocahontas song stuck in my head right now. Sing it with me, folks. Have you ever danced with the moonlight wind? Do 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 do. Is anybody else singing? Or just gonna continue humming? All right.